Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit a blog template in Design Manager in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the tools and features available in your HubSpot portal, including the Design Manager where you can customize your blog templates. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Content. This will expand a submenu with various content-related options. From that submenu, click on Blog. This takes you to the blog management area where you can view all your blog posts and access blog settings. Once you're in the blog section, you'll see a list of your blogs if you have multiple ones set up. Click on the specific blog whose template you want to edit. This ensures you're modifying the correct blog template, especially if you manage several blogs within your HubSpot account. Now that you've selected your blog, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find several tabs and options. Click on Settings. This will open up the configuration panel for your blog where you can adjust various parameters. Within the Settings menu, click on Template. This option controls which design template your blog uses and allows you to make changes to its appearance and structure. In the Template section, you'll see details about the current template being used for your blog. Here, click on Edit this template. This action will redirect you to the Design Manager, which is HubSpot's code editor where all the technical customization happens. Give it a moment to load as it prepares the template files for editing. Once the Design Manager opens, you'll see the actual code for that template displayed on your screen. This is where the real work begins. The code you see here controls everything from the layout and styling to the functionality of your blog posts. You can edit the HTML, CSS, or HubL code depending on what changes you want to make. Whether you're adjusting the header design, modifying the post layout, or adding custom features, this is where you'll implement those changes. Take your time here to make sure your edits are accurate and won't break the template. After you've finished editing the blog template and you're satisfied with the changes you've made, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find a button that says Publish Changes. Click on this button to save and apply your modifications. HubSpot will process your changes and update the template across all blog posts that use it. This might take a few seconds, so just wait while the system applies everything. And that's it. You've successfully edited your blog template in Design Manager in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.